How much is this? How much is this? यसको मूल्य कति हो? How much is this? It is expensive. It is expensive. यो महँगो छ. It is expensive. It is cheap. It is cheap. यो सस्तो छ. It is cheap. Please give me water. Please give me water. कृपया मलाई पानी दिनुहोस्. Please give me water. I need your help. I need your help. मलाई तपाईको मद्दत चाहिन्छ. I need your help. Where is the market? Where is the market? बजार कहाँ छ? Where is the market? It is nearby. It is nearby. यो नजिकै छ. It is nearby. Let's go together. Let's go together. सँगै जाऊ. Let's go together. I am tired. I'm tired. म थाकेको छु. I am tired. Take some rest. Take some rest. केही आराम गर्नुहोस्. Take some rest. Are you ready? Are you ready? के तपाईँ तयार हुनुहुन्छ? Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Yes, I am ready. हो म तयार छु. Yes, I am ready. Let's start. Let's start. सुरु गरौँ. Let's start. Don't worry. Don't worry. चिन्ता नगर्नुहोस्. Don't worry. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. सबै ठिक छ. Everything is fine. Good morning. Good morning. शुभ बिहानी अथवा शुभ प्रभात. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. शुभ दिउँसो अथवा शुभ दिन. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. शुभ साँझ अथवा शुभ सन्ध्या. Good evening. शुभ रात्रि. Good night. Good night. शुभ रात्रि. Good night. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. भोलि भेटौँला. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. तपाईको दिन शुभ रहोस् अथवा शुभ होस्. Have a nice day. What happened? What happened? के भयो? What happened? Nothing happened. Nothing happened. केही भएको छैन. Nothing happened. I understand. मैले बुझे. I understand. मैले बुझे. I understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. मैले बुझेन. I don't understand. Please speak slowly. कृपया बिस्तारै बोल्नुहोस्. Please speak slowly. कृपया बिस्तारै बोल्नुहोस्. Say it again. Say it again. फेरि भन्नुहोस्. Say it again. I am learning English. I am learning English. म अंग्रेजी सिक्दैछु. I am learning English. That's great. That's great. त्यो राम्रो कुरा हो. That's great. Keep practicing. Keep practicing. अभ्यास गरिरहनुहोस्. Keep practicing. Where do you work? Where do you work? तपाईँ कहाँ काम गर्नुहुन्छ? Where do you work? I work in an office. I work in an office. म कार्यालयमा काम गर्छु. I work in an office. What is your job? तपाईको काम के हो? What is your job? I am a teacher. I'm a teacher. म शिक्षक हुँ. I am a teacher. I am a student. I'm a student. म विद्यार्थी हुँ. I am a student. मलाई जानु छ. I have to go. I have to go. मलाई जानु छ. I have to go. यो के हो? What is this? What is this? यो के हो? What is this? तिमीलाई खेल्नु पर्छ. You should play. You should play. तिमीलाई खेल्नु पर्छ. You should play. ऊ तयार छ. He is ready. He is ready. ऊ तयार छ. He is ready. म अहिले व्यस्त छु. I am busy right now. I am busy right now. म अहिले व्यस्त छु. I am busy right now. सत्य भन्नुहोस्. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. सत्य भन्नुहोस्. Tell the truth. म हजुरसँग सहमत छु. I agree with you. I agree with you. म हजुरसँग सहमत छु. I agree with you. म हजुरसँग रिसाएको छु. I am angry with you. I'm angry with you. म हजुरसँग रिसाएको छु. I'm angry with you. म पर्खने छु. I will wait. I will wait. म पर्खने छु. I will wait. म अहिले टिभी हेर्दैछु. I'm watching TV now. I'm watching TV now. म अहिले टिभी हेर्दैछु. I am watching TV now. कसरी गर्ने? How to do. How to do. कसरी गर्ने? How to do. तिमीले के गर्छौ? What do you do? What do you do? तिमीले के गर्छौ? What do you do? जति सक्दो चाँडो हुन सक्छ. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. जति सक्दो चाँडो हुन सक्छ. As soon as possible. आफ्ना साथीहरूसँग शेयर गर्नुहोस्. Share with your friends. Share with your friends. आफ्ना साथीहरूसँग शेयर गर्नुहोस्. Share with your friends. यहाँ के हुँदैछ? What's happening here? What's happening here? यहाँ के हुँदैछ? What's happening here? सबै ठिक छ. Everything is okay. Everything is okay. सबै ठिक छ. Everything is okay. तिमी बाहिर नजाऊ. You don't go outside. You don't go outside. तिमी बाहिर नजाऊ. You don't go outside. त्यो दिन के थियो? What was on that day? What was on that day? त्यो दिन के थियो? What was on that day? त्यो दिन शनिबार थियो. That day was a Saturday. That day was a Saturday. त्यो दिन शनिबार थियो. That day was a Saturday. ऊ ठिक छैन. He is not well. He is not well. ऊ ठिक छैन. He is not well. हजुर के लिनुहुन्छ? What will you have? What will you have? हजुर के लिनुहुन्छ? What will you have? मलाई केही पनि चाहिँदैन. I don't want anything. I don't want anything. मलाई केही पनि चाहिँदैन. I don't want anything. सबै ममाथि छोडिदिनुहोस्. Leave it all to me. Leave it all to me. सबै ममाथि छोडिदिनुहोस्. Leave it all to me. हजुर के गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? हजुर के गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ? What do you want to do? म हजुरको लागि के गर्न सक्छु? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? म हजुरको लागि के गर्न सक्छु? What can I do for you? तिमी भित्र कसरी आयौ? How did you come inside? How did you come inside? तिमी भित्र कसरी आयौ? How did you come inside? के म तिमीलाई फोन गर्न सक्छु? Can I call you? Can I call you? के म तिमीलाई फोन गर्न सक्छु? Can I call you? हुँदैन. अहिले हुँदैन. No, not now. No, not now. अहिले हुँदैन. No, not now. म तिमीलाई थोरै बेरमा फोन गर्नेछु. I will call you in a later. I will call you in a later. म तिमीलाई थोरै बेरमा फोन गर्नेछु. I will call you in a later. उसले मजाक गरेको हुनुपर्छ. He must be joking. He must be joking. उसले मजाक गरेको हुनुपर्छ. He must be joking. बस यसलाई भुलिदिनुहोस्. Just forget it. Just forget it. Just forget it. बस यसलाई भुलिदिनुहोस्. Just forget it. पछि कुरा गरौँला. Let's talk later. Let's talk later. पछि कुरा गरौँला. Let's talk later. उसले त्यो कहिल्यै भनेन. He never said that. He never said that. उसले त्यो कहिल्यै भनेन. He never said that. ख्याल गर्नुहोस्. Take care. Take care. ख्याल गर्नुहोस्. Take care. Take care. ख्याल गर्नुहोस्. आफ्नो ख्याल गर्नुहोस्. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. आफ्नो ख्याल गर्नुहोस्. Take care of yourself. सबै कुराको ख्याल राख्नु. Take care of everything. Take care of everything. सबै कुराको ख्याल राख्नु. Take care of everything. सोचेर गर्नुहोस्. Think and do. सोचेर गर्नुहोस्. Think and do. Think and do. सोचेर गर्नुहोस्. चिन्ता नगर्नुहोस्. Don't worry. Don't worry.
चिन्ता नगर्नुस्, डोन्ट वरी। म सबै कुरा सम्हाल्नेछु। I will handle everything. I will handle everything. म सबै कुरा सम्हाल्नेछु। I will handle everything. म सबै कुरा सम्हाल्नेछु। अगाडि हेर्नुस्, look ahead. Look ahead. अगाडि हेर्नुस्, look ahead. के ऊ गइसक्यो? Has he gone? Has he gone? के ऊ गइसक्यो? Has he gone? के गरौँ म? What do I do? What do I do? के गरौँ म? What do I do? धेरै बेर भइसक्यो. It's too late. It's too late. धेरै बेर भइसक्यो. It's too late. तिमी राम्रो छौ. You are good. You are good. तिमी राम्रो छौ. त्यसो भए अब गर. So do it now. So do it now. त्यसो भए अब गर. म उनलाई भेटिसकेको छु. I have met her. म उनलाई भेटिसकेको छु. I have met her. मलाई थाहा छैन. I don't know. I don't know. मलाई थाहा छैन. I don't know. म सोच्ने छु. I will think. I will think. म सोच्ने छु. I will think. यति छिटो किन? Why so early? Why so early? यति छिटो किन? Why so early? फेरि भेटौँला. See you again. See you again. फेरि भेटौँला. See you again. बिस्तारै बोल्नुस्. Speak slowly. Speak slowly. बिस्तारै बोल्नुस्. Speak slowly. के तिमी पागल छौ? Are you mad? Are you mad? के तिमी पागल छौ? Are you mad? मलाई सोध्नु पर्यो. I had to ask. I had to ask. मलाई सोध्नु पर्यो. I had to ask. ढक्कन खोलिदिनुहोस्. Open the lid. Open the lid. ढक्कन खोलिदिनुहोस्. Open the lid. म जाँदैछु. I'm leaving. I am leaving. म जाँदैछु. I'm leaving. के तिमीले कोसिस गर्यौ? Did you try? Did you try? के तिमीले कोसिस गर्यौ? Did you try? ठिक त्यहाँ. Right there. Right there. ठिक त्यहाँ. Right there. अँध्यारो भइसकेको छ. It's got dark. It's got dark. अँध्यारो भइसकेको छ. It's got dark. उसलाई फेरि सोध. Ask him again. Ask him again. फेरि उसलाई सोध. Ask him again. फेरि उसलाई सोध. यसलाई अगाडि राख. Keep it ahead. Keep it ahead. यसलाई अगाडि राख. Keep it ahead. म धेरै कोसिस गरेँ. I tried a lot. I tried a lot. म धेरै कोसिस गरेँ. यो सजिलो छैन. It's no easy. It is no easy. यो सजिलो छैन. It's no easy. मलाई सबै थाहा छ. I know it all. I know it all. मलाई सबै थाहा छ. I know it all. यदि मलाई सोध्यौ भने, if you ask me, if you ask me, यदि मलाई सोध्यौ भने, if you ask me, म तिम्रो साथमा छु. I'm with you. I am with you. म तिम्रो साथमा छु. I'm with you. कति बजे? At what time? At what time? कति बजे? At what time? ऊ पागल छैन. He is not mad. He is not mad. ऊ पागल छैन. He is not mad. यो बिना कामको छ. It is useless. It is useless. यो बिना कामको छ. It is useless. मेरो हात छोड. Leave my hand. Leave my hand. मेरो हात छोड. Leave my hand. बस थोरै. Just a little. Just a little. बस थोरै. Just a little. अरू कोही? Anybody else? Anybody else? अरू कोही? Anybody else? जाऊ र जान दिऊ. Go and let go. जाऊ र जान दिऊ. Go and let go. के तिमी ठिक छौ? Are you okay? Are you okay? के तिमी ठिक छौ? Are you okay? मैले बाटो भुले. I lost my way. I lost my way. मैले बाटो भुले. I lost my way. रोहन कहाँ छ? Where is Rohan? Where is Rohan? रोहन कहाँ छ? Where is Rohan? के भयो? What happened? What happened? के भयो? What happened? मलाई पुरै पक्का छैन. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. म पुरै पक्का छैन. I'm not sure. के यतिले पुग्छ? Is it enough? Is it enough? Is it enough? के यतिले पुग्छ? Is it enough? के तिमीले सुन्यौ? Did you hear? Did you hear? के तिमीले सुन्यौ? इशारा नगर. Don't gesture. Don't gesture. इशारा नगर. Don't gesture. अब ऊ ठिक छ. He is fine now. He is fine now. अब ऊ ठिक छ. He is fine now. एक मिनेट रुक. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. एक मिनेट रुक. मलाई खेल्नु पर्यो. I had to play. I had to play. मलाई खेल्नु पर्यो. ढिलो नगरिकन. Without delay. Without delay. ढिलो नगरिकन. त्यस्तो होइन. It's not that. It is not that. त्यस्तो होइन. फेरि भेटौँला. See you again. See you again. फेरि भेटौँला. ऊ खेल्दैछ. He is playing. He is playing. ऊ खेल्दैछ. ढिलो नगर. Don't be late. Don't be late. ढिलो नगर. आरामसँग बस. Be comfortable. Be comfortable. आरामसँग बस. सुमन कहाँ छ? Where is Suman? Where is Suman? सुमन कहाँ छ? केही कुरा छैन. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. केही कुरा छैन. के पिउने? What to drink? What to drink? के पिउने? यो गलत छ. This is wrong. This is wrong. यो गलत छ. मान या नमान. Believe or not. Believe or not. मान या नमान. घरबाट काम गर. Work from home. Work from home. घरबाट काम गर. हतार नगर. Don't be hasty. Don't be hasty. हतार नगर. उसको मुख भाँचिदेऊ. Break his face. Break his face. उसको मुख भाँचिदेऊ. म के खाऊँ? What do I eat? What do I eat? म के खाऊँ? तिमी कायर छौ. You are coward. You are coward. You are coward. तिमी कायर छौ. मलाई परेशान नगर. Don't tease me. Don't tease me. मलाई परेशान नगर. के ल्याउनु छ? What to bring? What to bring? के ल्याउनु छ? म फुटबल खेल्छु. I play football. I play football. म फुटबल खेल्छु. एक अरू कुरा. One more thing. One more thing. एक अरू कुरा. उनीहरूले मलाई छाने. They choose me. They choose me. उनीहरूले मलाई छाने.